Are you a realtor tired of unpredictable commission checks and ready to build a rock-solid retirement? Then a Roth IRA is your secret weapon. First, let's understand why Roth IRAs are perfect for realtors. Unlike traditional IRAs, you contribute after-tax dollars, meaning your money grows tax-free and you won't pay taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA. Many financial institutions like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab offer them. Choose one with low fees and a user-friendly platform. Step 2. Fund your account. You can contribute up to $6,500 in 2023 or $7,500 if you're age 50 or older. Even small, consistent contributions can make a huge difference over time. Step 3. Choose your investments. Consider index funds or ETFs that track the stock market for broad diversification. As a realtor, you understand the importance of long-term investments. Your retirement should be no different. And that's it. You're on your way to a financially secure future. Don't wait. Start building your wealth with a Roth IRA today and enjoy a comfortable, tax-free retirement.